Hi everyone, welcome back to our Microsoft Word tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to delete unwanted row and column from a table. Let's jump in. To delete a column in your table, click anywhere in the column you want to delete, right-click and choose Delete from the menu and select Delete a column, and the column will be deleted. Also, if you want to delete a row, you will do the same. Click anywhere at the row you want to delete. For instance, I want to delete a row 4. Right-click, go to the delete, and from the option choose delete row, and the row 4 will be deleted. Also, the other way, we can use the table tools by select at the layout option and go to the delete and select delete column or row if you want to delete. For instance, I want to delete column, I will delete column, or I will delete row, as you see. And just like that, the row is gone. Deleting row and column is a great way to clean up your table and keep them organized. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more Microsoft Word tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay updated.